the heart of the capital where the flowers bloom. Colors paint the skies and the world feels so new. Petals dancing in the breeze, a canvas so divine. Floriade's calling, it's that special time. Celebrate the beauty, celebrate the light. Floriade's the season where the world feels right. From tulips to daisies, a garden's grand parade. Australia's biggest springtime serenade. Families gather round, laughter fills the air. Children's eyes light up, magic everywhere. Art and nature blend in a symphony so grand. Floriade's the wonderland, right here on this land. Celebrate the beauty, celebrate the light. Floriade's the season where the world feels right. From tulips to daisies, a garden's grand parade. Australia's biggest springtime serenade. Sail through the pathways under skies so clear. Every bloom tells a story, every fragrance so dear. Music and joy under the sun's warm ray. At Floriade, love and springtime stay. Celebrate the beauty, celebrate the light. Floriade's the season where the world feels right. From tulips to daisies, a garden's grand parade. Australia's biggest springtime serenade. So come one, come all to this floral feast, where spring's finest moments never cease. At Floriade, we come alive.